What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove a blank page in Word. So, in this case, you might be wondering how do you remove that empty page or blank page you see on your Word document. Well, adding them or removing them is actually fairly easy. So, the first thing that you want to do is you want to scroll down a bit here, you want to look for that blank page that you have, go ahead and select that. And once you've selected your page here, what you need to do is you need to press Ctrl G on your keyboard. Now you should see this pop up here. Now what we need to do next is you need to select or enter the following option, which is going to be the backslash page. Now from then on, just click on the go to option, and once you've done that, go ahead and click on close. Now from your keyboard, you want to go ahead and press the backspace on your keyboard. So just press that, and that would actually remove your blank page. Now in this case, you go and save this one, and from then on, you should be good. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like here or maybe subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.